Friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix audio device is disabled. As we can see cross sign on speaker, and when you try troubleshoot, so you will see audio is disabled. So friends, to fix this error, firstly click on start, then type device manager, open device manager, and friends, in here you need to right click on audio, then click on enable device. That's it. So it's a very quick and easy method to enable audio device and to fix this error. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video work for you or not.